and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be recreating the Kenzie Burke healthy banana bread recipe. I don't follow food combining, but I thought I'd give it a go and do one of Kenzie's healthy recipes, so let's just get started. I'm going to begin by using this large bowl to mix all the dry ingredients, and then I'm going to mix the wet ones in this one and then put them all together. I have Kenzie's blog post open right here. So it says to start with 1 cup of gluten-free flour. Just like that. Next, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This one. Just another one. And I'm also going to preheat the oven right now to 350 degrees. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a teaspoon of baking soda, so equal parts soda and powder. And then a teaspoon of cinnamon, because I know that Kenzie really likes cinnamon. Okay. Got a little bit extra. That's really good. Good thing I like cinnamon. Okay. Half a teaspoon of salt. Into this. So flour, 1 cup of oats. Just like that. I'm making it last part. So now I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients together before moving on with the wet ones. Alrighty. Okay, so I'm going to start with 3/4 cups of maple syrup. Okay, so I'll use 3 of these. It's a lot of syrup, but I guess because there's no cane sugar in it, she just uses this. 2. Half a cup of coconut oil. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be melted or not, but it's okay. cannot wait to taste this. Okay. I'm gonna wash my hands now. And the last ingredient besides the bananas that we need is 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm just reading, it says that the coconut oil should be melted, but we'll make it work. I don't even know what to say. It'll just be really cinnamon-y and vanilla-y, and that's okay, because you can't have too much. Okay, so I'm going to mix this a little bit and then add the bananas. Yeah, it's nice and soft, so I don't think it matters if it's melted or not. Okay. And now for the most important part, the bananas. It's gonna break or put in 3 really ripe bananas. Hopefully these ones are ripe enough. Spread them out. Hopefully this turns out the same as Kenzie, but we'll see. Okay, so I'm going to try mixing this by hand at first, and if not, we'll have to get the mixer out, but hopefully we'll get it all together. Okay, I think I need to get a mixer. I'm scared. Bring a big bowl, and I'm just gonna pour a little bit at a time and then whisk it in. I'm gonna get a spatula. And this banana bread's perfect because it's super cold outside, and I don't know, banana bread just reminds me of the fall. Definitely smell of bananas, cinnamon, and vanilla. It's gonna be so nice. Okay. I'm going to grease the pan. We're gonna all have to get a paper towel. Take it around. Clean my hands a little bit. And this is perfect timing because the oven just preheated. It's really heavy. Oh, such a weakling. So I'm going to pop this in the oven for, Kenzie says, 45 minutes. Looks pretty clean to me. Alrighty. Perfect. Ta-da! It smells so freaking good. Okay, so 45 minutes later, it's done. I'm going to cut into it. The whole house, like I don't even know how to explain to you how good it smells. Okay, I just want it a little, it's like steaming, but I have no patience. So. Making a mess as usual. Okay. Now, I'm not vegan and I wouldn't say that I eat a healthy lifestyle most of the time, so you can literally see the state, but I'm just gonna go for it anyway. It was so hot. This is like 10 out of 10. You can't even tell that it's vegan and gluten-free, and it tasted just as sweet as when I make my banana bread with sugar. It's so perfect. I'm burning my mouth. Okay, honeys, so that's the end of today's video. I made the Kenzie Burke banana bread, and it's really, really good. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, because I'm going to be posting lots more videos soon. Bye, honeys.